In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check your email address here on an iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you do have any questions throughout this entire process, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Let's say you need an email to sign up for something or even to share it with someone. To actually find that email, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the settings app, and from here, scroll down just a little bit and you're going to see an option for mail. If you don't see the option in this section, that's because it's going to be in your apps. Go ahead and select apps, and then I recommend just searching for it, just like so, and tap on whatever mail app you use. In my case, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose the basic mail app that comes on every single iPhone. When you do select it though, you're going to see an option up at the very top that says mail accounts. Go ahead and select it. And then from here, you're going to see whatever account you do have. If you select on that specific account, you're going to see the email for that account and everything else directly connected. But yeah, once again, this doesn't just work for the mail app, it also works for something like Gmail. So I could click on Gmail right here, change it to my default mail app, and then do the exact same thing. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can check your email here on an iPhone. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.